All right. Sorry, guys. Little delays there, little hiccups, but hopefully everybody's good now. Just gonna scope out the scene in the market. What's going on? What did I miss? Anything good? Looks like we got a little gap. Well, not really a gap up, but looks like we got some after hours movement to the upside again. The dips keep getting bought. What's up with CMG after this horrible earnings? Yeah, it looks like a lot of contracts are going to close today. All right, cool. Today's my second day on the server. I've noticed there are 2-3 traders that I like. Get alerts from the channel, get filled with other. How can I get zoned in on the ones I want? All right, perfect. Great question. Great question. All right, so I'm going to go over a few things. First of all, the channels. Now, I'm actually glad Kevin, our founder, CEO, he announced this earlier this morning. Basically giving you the insight as to basically one of the most common questions is what are the tiers of the channels of the alerts, right? So we have a few channels here. What's up, Crizzlefish? What's going on, brother? Axonon, what's up? Kimexi, Lonnie, thanks for joining, guys. Ozar, thanks for joining. Sinister Bull, what's up? It's just deep. What's going on, guys? All right, so yeah, so the alert tier breakdown, this is one of the most common questions we get, like I said. So I usually go over this, but it's pretty straightforward right here, right? Tier sniper is going to be traders that are kind of on a hot streak. And as long as, let's see, required to have a minimum of 7% per options trade after counting losses. Stock traders need a minimum of 3% per stock trade after counting losses. So there should be a tier sniper. Oh, I guess it's just under everything there. All right, so tier sniper, you can consider guys that are pretty much like on fire. This could be a number of different types of traders. It could be a brand new trader that's just trying the app out, you know. Hey, what's up, Trackpad? Thanks for joining, brother. Tier Pro are the top traders on the server. They've been around vetted by the community for a long time. They've been in the community for a while, and they've been kind of ranked up through over the years. Not just by their winning trades, but also contributing to the server and the community overall. So that those are, you can consider those the top traders on the server. Tier 2 are the next tier of top traders. So this is a staff trader. So this can vary between mostly also traders that have been around a long time. Me personally, I'll be in this section, as well as you know, some of the other staff traders. It just means that either they've been around for a while or they've been ranked up through the ranking. So anybody that is on the server has the capability to potentially become a ranked trader and actually get paid by XTrades, right? So just so you know, like if you do pay a monthly membership, for example, you could potentially end up at least getting that for free. At very minimum, you'll end up as a ranked trader, you can at least get your money back every single month and pretty much be here for free, sharing your ideas, contributing to the server, and also, you know, making your own money in the process. So that's a beautiful thing. Nobody out there is just randomly promoting, you know, traders and doing this the way that we do. So yeah, so as a trial user, you won't see the sniper channel yet. When you first join the server, you see a few channels, but as your days continue and progress, you'll start to see more channels open up. Once you join membership, you'll see all the channels pretty much available to you. So yeah, so on your first couple days, the reason why it's set up that way is just to not overwhelm you with everything we have to offer right out the gate. We don't want to overwhelm newer traders mostly, but if you have some experience, then I can also modify your trial to see a little bit more things, and I can also you know, help you through membership as well, you know, once you sign up as well. Yes, correct. So just for you guys joining the live stream, I do give an incentive for joining it. So just shoot me a DM. It's just D. Shoot me a DM, and I'll send you the discount link. Right now, it is $38 a month. We'll go over the plans real quick. It's $38 a month, but with the discount, it's 10% off the monthly. So it comes out to $35 a month, And what the heck? app.xtrades.net/plans. It comes out to, with the 10% discount, it comes to $35 a month. And the best part about it is it's not a one-time discount. It's actually recurring. So, you save a few bucks a month. The yearly plan is a better bang for the buck, of course. It's going to be $388 for the year. So you're already saving on the yearly aspect. But just, again, for you guys joining the live stream, we do give an incentive for this. So this comes down to 15% off. And you can get this for $330 for the entire year, guys. I can't, if you are already an actively paying member, I cannot change what you're paying now, but I can always upgrade you with the discounted price. Lifetime is available as well. Guys, probably by next year, this is not going to be available. I do not think that lifetime is going to be an option eventually. So this is honestly a crazy price. You have a lot of memberships that charge this yearly. It's kind of crazy. So just consider, if you want to consider lifetime, I mean, you get literally everything that we have to offer for life. We've had many members that honestly say that this has paid off in dividends over a matter of time. Sometimes within their first couple months, honestly. It depends on obviously your style and risk of trading. Lifetime is $1588, but with the discount, it comes down to $1,200. It's 25% off for you guys joining live stream. So if you are a monthly or yearly subscriber, you can always upgrade at the discounted price. Just hit me up, DM me anytime, and I can make sure you guys get the discount there. All right. Yeah, it's just D. Let me send you a friend request. I'll send you a friend request. And by the way, be careful with scammers and imposters, guys. I go over this every stream. I hate to go over it, but just really quickly, I'll recap the scammers and imposters. You will... Nah, man. Guys, this server has a long-standing reputation. We've been around for I want to say about 10 years. I've been on the server personally about 5 years. And this is just growing, man. Kevin Momentum is our founder, CEO. He's already a multi-millionaire, man. The guy made most of his money from crypto, from Bitcoin back in 2012 or whatever. He invested a lot of money and, obviously it paid off huge. And he is the founder, CEO. He created both XTrades and Crypto Traders. So I didn't even bring this up yet, but one membership gives you access to our crypto server as well. We have a fully, our sister server, Crypto Traders, is also just fully dedicated to crypto. So XTrades does not really entail crypto at all, except obviously stocks that are related to crypto. So, Mara, Riot, MSTR, any crypto related names. Obviously those are tradable. And of course, it's not like we never talk about Bitcoin and never bring it up at all. Of course, it's very relevant to the market today, so it's impossible not to talk about Bitcoin. But if you want to actually trade with crypto futures or leveraged futures trading and not just basically buying and holding, Crypto Traders server is amazing. We have some really good analysts there and stuff. Really good traders there as well. And the setup is very similar. We have ranked traders, and it's very similar. So I can also guide you through that one, but mostly this stream is really dedicated to just XTrades. And then also they do some live trading on the Crypto Trader side. So really good stuff there. I highly recommend if you're not into crypto at all. It's never late. It's never too late to at least learn more about crypto. Yeah, I got you. I'll send the discount. The Crypto Traders link right now. I got you. Yeah, join the Crypto Trader side. You'll get a free trial for the Crypto Trader side as well. But again, once you join membership with XTrades, you'll automatically get access to the Crypto Trader side. Full access. No limitations there. All right. So, with that said, again, I wanted to bring up really quickly. I just want you guys to be able to change your Discord settings. Make sure that you don't get fooled by any kind of imposter accounts. I've gone over this many times in the past, but we send this out pretty much every day or every couple days. We send a little announcement. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, this one. So it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do, guys, to avoid those scammers, just go into your Discord settings, go to friend request. Go to content and social, go to friend request and uncheck the everyone box. This will prevent a lot of these imposter accounts, guys. We've been around, like I said, we've been around for like 10 years, which comes along with a lot of copycats and imposters, right? So even myself, I have multiple scammer accounts. You know, like they copy my exact profile and they make it look like I'm myself, and they tell you to deposit to some random crypto website that you've never heard of. And I swear, if you deposit to any of those sites, you'll never see your money back. So, guys, if something sounds too good to be true, or anybody's talking to you in DMs about in quote mirror trading or copy trading of any sort, totally illegal. We don't cater to that at all. The only copy trading that we actually have is through our crypto trader side. So lifetime and elite plus, so annual paying members, you guys actually get access to our copy trading bot for the crypto side. So obviously there's a few little, there's a setup process to that, and I'm not going to deep dive into that, but know it's available to you, and we can dive deeper into that with in DM if you're interested in that. All right, so would be aware of scammers, especially on stock tweets. Oh wow, I didn't know that. Posting fake XTrades links, I didn't know that. We do have a lot of marketers on stock tweets. They work to just get people into the Discord. So that, I don't know if that's what you mean, but if there's scammer links, that's kind of crazy. I didn't hear about that. Let me check what's going on in the market real quick. Is there any data today? And by the way, we'll pull up some charts. We'll live trade as well. We'll look for some opportunities. We'll go over a couple things. It's a good time, guys. Join up. We do this every Friday, by the way. Hopefully 007, he's another one of our top analysts on the server. He sometimes hops on and we look for live trade opportunities. So hopefully we find some trades. 8:30. All right, looks like we got nothing today, which is not good for bears, man. Honestly, I think that we just keep melting up. I just every dip keeps getting bought up. I'm kind of hoping that we get a little bit of a dump in the at the open. Maybe a lot of contracts expiring, but mostly to the long side. If we can get any kind of dip here. This is pre-market. Actually, yesterday's low. I'm just going to mark that level real quick. And it kind of coincides here. Oh, this is the 10-minute chart. My bad. Let's see. I don't like the 10-minute. Yeah, we got some confluence right here too. Pretty interesting. Just mark this area. So every for you SPY traders, QQQ, index traders, we do have a SPY plan that gets posted every single day, pretty much religiously, from JTW, one of our top analysts on the server. JTW, he's one of our top analysts on the server. He posts a SPY plan every single day, guys. It looks just like this. I'll show you real quick. And the main channels you guys want to focus on, I want to make sure you guys know as well, are the why is this guy posting in here? Yeah, this shouldn't be here. Why is he allowed to post in here? Give me a second, guys. My bad. What the hell? It's weird. Yeah, so SPY plan. SPY plan is. I'm sorry. Right now he's posting it in the Elite X-Ray chat. I forgot. Eventually, this Elite X-Ray chat is going to be decommissioned into just the watch list channel. The main channels you guys should be focusing on is the watch list channel and the top tickers channel. And that goes for both the options section and also the stock section. So the stock section has the watch list and top tickers channel as well. I promise you'll find a lot of opportunities in here, guys. You don't need to get it from Twitter and a bunch of stock twits or any of these other places. The main goal really for XTrades is to be that only resource that you need to be able to find opportunities. We pretty much strive to be that. All right, so the SPY plan looks just like this. Basically, he gives us an entry to the call side, break of resistance, and then he gives us price targets. And then for the put side, he gives us price targets as well. So there's never any bias to either side. We're not just looking for calls. We're not just looking for puts. We're looking for a break of support or resistance to take any of these trades. So like yesterday was a weird day. Yesterday, I think there was an entry to the put side, and I think both actually paid. At some point in the morning, we had some downside, and then all of a sudden we ripped to the upside, and it just kept flip-flopping. It was actually a really difficult day to trade, to scalp. I mean, futures, it was really good for futures, but for options trading, this is really not that easy, honestly. We kind of stayed in this range yesterday, but there were opportunities. There were opportunities. Like you could have taken this to the upside, and then taken longs right here with kind of like low on the day as support, and you could have made money right here. I think this is probably when I made the most money I did yesterday on futures. This drop right here, use this as support from the morning breakdown, and man, it just like went crazy over here, and then again just made a lower high, higher low. I mean, and sure enough, there we go, went to the upside as well there. Let me link my futures here. Nice. There you go. Yeah, and you could have made money to the downside as well. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There was opportunity for both ways. What's up with one of these are logged in. Hold on. My bad, guys. 1 second. This actually bothers me with TradingView. It like stays logged into my broker. Oops. Come on, man. Oops. XYZ, man, can't get over 80 for its life. Apple can't get over 215 for its life lately. I got Dell on watch. Damn, where the hell is my... One of these tabs has my broker logged in. I don't know which one. So annoying, man. Bro, I can't stand TradingView sometimes. I love it, but I also hate it at the same time sometimes. All right, I'll figure that out later. All right, so back to your question. Back to your question about you saw some specific traders, right? So let me talk about the app now, right? So the app is app.xtrades.net is our web app, so you can use this, or you can download the mobile app for XTrades. Yes, we have a mobile app. Again, like I said, Kevin, our founder CEO, he has put a lot of funds of his own directly into the development of everything that you see here, guys. And that includes a mobile app. It's not cheap to just randomly make a mobile app and have it work properly, right? So if you if you're a free trial user, you should not have to sign up. You should just be able to sign in, guys. Sign in with Discord. Sign in with Discord. All right, we got to authorize. My bad, I got a message there. All right, so you got that. Basically, just sign in with Discord, guys. Sign in with Discord. Sign in with Discord. Right, so with the app, guys, right, every single trade on the Discord fully syncs directly to the app. So what do I mean by that, right? If I go into, let me just follow a trade randomly here. Let's go to, yeah, this one, right? Be Happy. He's one of our top traders on the server. He actually just got promoted not too long ago. Right, so if I hit view details on this, it'll take me directly to the web app and it'll show me the details of the trade. Now, the app, the biggest benefit of the app, guys, is the fact that not only can you follow the entry and the exit of every single trade that you see on the Discord, but you can also follow the progress. And that is a massive advantage. Massive advantage. You don't see that anywhere else, guys. So what I just did there is I bookmarked this trade. I love looking at the app and I love kind of scoping out the scene. I don't know why the hell I don't follow him. I just followed him. So this is what I was going to mention to you, brother, is that you can follow specific traders based on your preferences. There's a little follow button. You can also search the user, right? I could also search the user. Be Happy. Right? I could have searched them like this. Right? It takes me to his profile. And I can also see every single trader's stats, just like this. 57% win rate, return per trade 2%. And I can see a lot of his trades. Now, his trades are a little bit botched. I remember there was a time when his stop losses weren't triggering. And so his return per trade is probably not as good as it looks, as good as it should be. But this guy's a really good trader, in my opinion. So that's why I'm following him. Right? So, again, he's down 17% on this trade. One of the biggest benefits is the fact that you can follow those specific types of trades. So, again, I bookmarked that trade. What that means is I can go to my bookmarked trades, and now I can kind of keep track of it. Right? So this is a really good feature. I personally love this feature because you're able to kind of just keep track of specific trades. And when a top trader is down 15, 20, even 30% on a trade and they have not closed it out, well, guess what? I can take a little bit better entry than they had. Right? It's a huge cheat code, in my opinion. I've done this many times. My small account, I started doing this maybe, I don't know why I started doing it very late, but really probably over the last, I don't know, 6 months. I've had pretty big success doing it. So I say this on every live stream, guys, that you should not have to feel FOMO with every single trade that you see, right? You should not feel FOMO with every single trade that you see. Why? Because with XTrades, you have the opportunity to get a better entry than any top trader here. So if a trader's down 5%, even on a penny stock, right? If you're maybe you're not a stock trader, right? I could filter stocks only. Maybe vice versa, maybe the opposite, right? Maybe you're not interested in stocks and you only want futures trades. Options trades. Right? Let me go to toggle open alerts only. Right? And I can just kind of scan from the traders that I'm following here. Right? I can look at the traders that I'm following here. Does that make sense? Right? These are only the trades that I'm following. So the traders that I'm following, and open alerts only and just options only. If I'm not interested in options, I can do the same thing for stocks. Again, these are just traders that I'm following. Trump is tweeting right now, nearing a trade deal with China. Let's see if China is moving on that, because I am long China, baby. Let's see what's going on with China really quick. I have coin is on big watch today. I have coin. If coin goes down to 388, I kind of like this level for potential longs. But if it loses that, coin looks pretty ugly to the downside, man. So that is definitely on watch. Let me see what I can close over here. Yes, Chipotle. Um, why is this like full screen? Let's look at XBEV. Ooh, I don't like this. Not good to the downside there. I was expecting better. Let's see. So, oh yeah, we got some down red candles here. Let's see PDD and the big boys. Let's see BABA. Okay, yeah, Baba's pumping on this news. Yeah, China's definitely giving me on watch. Trump is tweeting about China deal, and that could move all these stocks. So Baba, with the dump that it had overnight, this could be on watch as well. I'm gonna keep this on watch, man. This 120 spot is pretty huge for Baba. So this could be on watch today as well for potential day trade, actually. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish on China, guys. That's just me. Trump also he plans to pardon Maxwell. Oh my God, no way, no way. How can you pardon her? Wow, that's crazy to me. But anyway, let's not get off topic, man. That gets too emotional. Right. So Bahamut, he's one of our top traders on the server. I mean, I would always recommend follow any trade that he takes. But again, the biggest benefit, like it's impossible, guys. We have massive amount of traders here, right? We have a lot of traders here, so you have to really narrow down your preferences. You cannot follow every trade. I promise you're going to miss some opportunities. It's impossible to catch every win. It's impossible to catch every trade. Yo, Trackpad, you throw me off, man, because you're not a member, bro. You're killing me. So I didn't have you on the radar. Let me see. I saw you were killing it, man. I think it was just yesterday. What's your username on here? Trackpad? What's your username on here? I saw you were killing it, man. Let me give you a little shout out because I noticed you on the tier 3 alerts in the under the stock section. I think you had all top 5 trades, which is crazy. You don't see that every day. Oh man, I got a little laggy there. All right, hold on. Let's see. Stock trades tier 3. I'm pretty sure, bro. I think correct me if I'm wrong. Pretty sure I saw you have all top 5 trades. Look at this. This is insane. I give you credit, man. Awesome. This is a screenshot. Yeah, so if I want to follow a specific trader, right, I can also go to his profile from here, right? If I click on, right, visit site, click on the profile, it takes me to the app. Oh shit, market's open. Make sure you're paying attention to your options trade, especially, guys. Right, so now I can follow him. Right, there you go. Now I'm following you, bro. I got you. My app is stuck in validation. Look, started with Discord, then downloaded the app. So okay, you downloaded the mobile app, right? When you download the mobile app, it should just be one step. Hit sign in or get on the mobile app. I'm not sure exactly what it says, but you should just have to sign in. You shouldn't have to sign up with Discord. Where are you stuck? Which part? Hey, what's up, Atlas? Thanks for joining, brother. What's up, Mike DB? OG, thanks for joining. Steve, what's up? Or Tim Cook? Nick, man, thanks for joining. What's up? What's up? Gardul, always, man. Thanks for joining, brother. Market's open, guys. Make sure, of course, you're paying attention to your options trades. Let's see what's going on. China's getting a little dump at the open. I'm telling you, this might be an opportunity for China. I don't know what's going on yet, but we'll see. PLTR looks bullish, is what I'm reading. All right, so let's mark these SPY plan levels. I start free trial, then it goes to Discord and just shows the loading screen. I start free trial, and it goes to Discord. So you're talking about the mobile app. Can you share a screenshot if you don't mind? Because it's kind of hard to go through it, but you should already have an account. So you should just have to sign in with Discord. You should just have to sign in with Discord, and then you get to the screen that says authorize, and then you should have to just sign in to your Discord account, and then that's pretty much how you log in. But your free trials already began, so. And let me double check that. Yeah, your free trial is already active, so you should be good. All right, so let's mark these SPY plan levels. Again, I never like to freak out at the open. A lot of traders, especially newer traders, and I used to do this often, man. When at the open, I'm like, oh my God, I need to get into a trade. I need to find a trade. I need to find a trade. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I looking for? Right? Don't freak out, guys. Right? The opportunities are going to be here every day, I promise. You're going to see opportunities literally every day, especially with XTrades by your side. Let me check my futures account here. Of course, I'm going to buy some dip if we get down here, just out the gate. I'm not even looking at the chart. I'm just buying the dip there with futures. It's a lot more leeway that you get with futures in comparison to I see use trackpad in comparison to options. All right, give me a second, guys. Let me double check the. Thanks for joining, Carlos. What's up? JU, what's up? I don't know if I should say Jew. It doesn't feel right saying Jew. Kimexi, what's up? Ozar, thanks for joining, guys. Sinister Bull, what's up? Okay, so it takes you to the activate trial. Yeah, shouldn't do that, man. Should definitely not do that. Try to sign out completely and start the process over. But let me know when you get to the screen that says sign in with Discord. Stuck in a validation. Yeah, yeah. You might have created a double account, possibly, but I'm not sure. All right, so hold on. Let's mark the SPY plan levels, guys. So we're going to go to Elite XTrades chat. And again, this area is going to get decommissioned eventually. This will be merged into the watch list channel or the top tickers. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to look. But here is the SPY plan. And just for reference, just because I only got 2 screens here, not 3, I am going to copy and paste it in here in the chat. And then we'll mark these levels on the chart. All right, so every single member, by the way, guys, every single member, oh my God, look at this. Look at this dump right here at this. This is the 333 SMA right here on the 5-minute. I would have loved to take a trade off that, man. But did I buy the dip on futures? I didn't hear my order get filled. I don't think I got filled. Damn. Yeah, just missed it. All good. All good. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, turn it off, turn it back on. All good. I do IT, so that's hilarious. Yep, turn it off, turn it back on. Usually works, man. All right, so let's mark these levels on TradingView, right? So I didn't mention this yet, but every single member, you guys also have access. Well, not access yet, but you have the capability. Just DM me your TradingView username. If you're interested in the Trade Plan Navigator, it's an indicator for TradingView where it basically we can mark these levels on a chart. And it gives you the trade plan. So let's mark these levels. I'm going to edit this right now. What's up with NTS here? Why is this? All right, let's mark these levels. So we got, okay. Yeah, I saw it. I saw it on time. Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. All right, so 636 call entry is 635.91. So that's confirmed break of 635.91. Can see targets at 636.72, 637.60. 638. And the reason why I recommend this trade plan navigator, guys, which is free, it's free, just have to be a member to get it. The reason why I recommend it is because a lot of traders, especially newer ones, are always asking, what should I take profits? Should I take profits? Should I cut the loss? What should I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? If you have a plan beforehand, guys, this will prevent you from asking yourself that every single time. Right? No matter what the percentage is that you're up or down, the plan, the chart will tell you whether you should take profits or not. It's not about the dollar amount. It's not always about the dollar amount. It should mostly be about percentage levels. If you focus on learning, guys, it goes a longer way than just trying to focus on making money. I promise. I promise. 635.05. All right, All right, so we're gonna take puts at 633.68, and that can see 632.57. You can see the levels moving around in the background. By the way, guys, if you have any questions about the app, about the server, feel free to ask away. I'm happy to answer any questions. 64. All right, so we got our levels on the chart. We're good to go here. See, it draws it up nice and pretty. And let me save this plan. I'm going to overwrite the current one because I had it kind of backdated. Spy plan. Yes, it already exists, I know. And let me just hide this real quick and save this chart. And we're good to go. All right, and then we've got the alerts. Trade plan navigator. $15-minute. I'll do, yeah, 15-minute confirmation. No, 5 minutes. 5-minute confirmations. Expire. All right, cool. So we're good. All right, this is all set up. So now, basically, I'll get an alert every time once we get above that call entry. So 635.91 is the call entry. So yeah, at this point, we just kind of wait it out. We'll see what levels we get. We'll see where we go. In the meantime, let me check some other charts here. Freaking Apple, man. Apple's got to be the most annoying ticker this week. Another pump at the open, and we dumped. I don't know why I didn't think of taking puts there, but we got some signs of life here with support down here at 214. And this little moving average has kind of gotten higher over the last week. So I am kind of okay with this. I am swinging Apple calls. So this still looks like healthy action to me. We just need to break this stupid 215 level. Looks like Chill Friday, not much data. Only had data 1 hour ago. Besides that, yeah, no data. Yep, beautiful. That should mean that we go head towards the upside, but you never know. Could be a sell-off day. You just never know, right? All right, what's up with China and this tweeting and all that stuff? All right, so the main action, guys, goes down in the main options chat and the main stock chat. So this is where you'll see live kind of ongoing analysis throughout the day. This is where you'll pay attention, especially if you're like a scalper or you're trading quick short-term bounces or some kind of market momentum mover. you'd want to focus in the main options chat and just kind of talk it out with others and see what they're seeing and some kind of, you know, see what's going on. But the main action is going on in here. Yeah, I like waiting these first 30 minutes. Me personally, if I'm day trading, especially options, I am definitely not touching anything. I'm not checking anything until like I'm not trading anything. I'm really just closing trades before 10 a.m. Only closing trades before 10 a.m. I don't like opening trades before 10 a.m. unless it's futures. Futures I can mess with. More get a little bit more leeway for it. Wow, APLD with a nasty dump here, man. I just closed the trade yesterday on this after we had a nice move to the upside yesterday, right around this candle right here. It's really important to sell into strength, guys, if possible, because I mean, look at this crap. Although this might provide another opportunity for those that missed out, but damn, this is a nasty looking candle right here. How bad is this volume? That's not that bad. All right, Baba's testing that low on day. Pre-market lows. China's looking pretty damn red. Ooh, I don't like this. China's looking pretty red here. JD. I'm long JD. Thanks, OG. Whenever you're ready, guys. Again, for you guys that joined the stream, if you're already a monthly paying member, I cannot change what you're paying now, but I can always upgrade you with the discounted price. Just DM me and I will get you that discount link, guys. Just DM me. And anybody on free trial or trial ended status, you guys can feel free to DM me as well. I'll send you guys the discount link for the monthly. We give that incentive just for you guys joining the live stream and hanging out in here. The goal is really to just show you around, walk you through everything that you need to know about the server and the app especially, and how you can kind of improve your experience, guys. Yeah, nobody does it like us here, man. Nobody does it like us, honestly. I'm really tempted to take coin longs off this previous day low. I'm so tempted, but let's see what the hot sectors are today, guys. What's going on with the market, man? Hey, 007 in the building. Bro, I had to change the stream channel, so I think, let me see if I can hear you. Let me see. 007 got the mic. I think you're good. 007 in the building. Again, he's one of our top analysts on the server. He's been around for, man, a long time. I personally learned so much from him and many others here. Honestly, I really am humbled by the opportunity to even be in this server and be a part of it, and be staff. Honestly,
Testing.
Yes, sir. I hear you, bro.
Awesome. How's it going? Good morning.
Mic sounds good, man. Would you change mic?
Really?
It sounds amazing.
Yeah. I'm just on my Mac Mini today.
Yeah, whatever it is, it sounds way better than previous few times.
Really? Awesome.
Yeah, man. So what's up, bro? What do you got on this? How's your week been?
The week's been great. There was some up and downs, but overall we're positive for the week. How about you?
Good, man. It's been a crazy week. I mean, every dip has just been bought up, and I'm pretty bullish overall. So I've just kind of been riding the wave, not fighting the trend.
Yes. Market is very strong. We have been in the buy the dip mode for the last few months. Bears are probably absolutely just losing their shit this year.
Yeah.
So it's been tough. As usual on Fridays, I got Coinbase on watch as our 0 DTE play.
Yes, sir. I'm kind of liking it right now. Like this spot right now where we're at is testing previous day low. Well, not testing it yet, but let's see what is previous day low. I kind of tried to mark it, but not exactly here. What is this? 387.12, absolute low yesterday. Yeah, we're getting a fat dump, man. Coin dumped pretty hard. I tried to warn somebody who was in like 430 calls for next week. I really hope he downsized. I said to him yesterday, like, when coin kind of ripped a couple days ago to the upside, like I said, man, this is an opportunity for you to get the hell out of there. He was down like 15-20%. I hope he got out. If he didn't, he's got to be down like 70% now. So
Oh,
just another thing, guys. Like you got to keep in mind, like losing is part of the game. I mentioned this on streams time to time, and I probably should mention it more. But losing is part of the game, guys. And if you don't learn how to lose properly, you're not gonna have a good time in the market. It's gonna humble the shit out of you, pretty bad. And it happens pretty ugly depending on your portfolio size. So if you have a large account and you're just like winging it and like just guessing, you're gonna blow that account. And I would suggest downsize a lot until you start to learn and learn and learn and learn and learn. Just improve over time, guys. And you can do that here with XTrades, but you have to put in some of the work. You can't just follow trades blindly and expect to succeed with every trade. It's not possible. All right, Baba's bouncing here. Yeah, I was looking at Baba. Baba was on my watch for today for potential day trade. But Trump was tweeting about it earlier, so I don't know how good or bad that is yet.
yeah. I don't know. The China stocks has been hot. I have some Neo, and it's been running for the last 5-10 days, so it's been super hot. As for Coinbase, I want to look for a long around 380 to 382 range here. I think we still have some pretty heavy sell candle here that we could go down a little bit more. And I think if we can catch that bottom, it'd be pretty nice. We'll see.
Coin. Let's see.
I got a pretty interesting story if you want to hear it.
Of course.
All right, gather around, everybody. So, going back to that thing that you're talking about in terms of losing and learning how to lose gracefully, right? There was once a stone that lay deep in the heart of a flowing river. Every day, the water rushed past it, and sometimes gently, sometimes with force. The stone wanted to stay strong, unmoved, and it believed that by holding its ground, it could outlast the river. For years, the stone resists. It didn't want to change. It believed that strength meant standing still, no matter how hard the current pulled. But slowly, almost without noticing, the stone began to wear down. The river wasn't trying to destroy it. The water wasn't cruel. It was simply doing what rivers do, moving, shifting, carving its own path. One day, the stone realized it wasn't the same shape anymore. It was smoother now, smaller in place. It hadn't won by resisting. It had survived by adapting. It had learned to let the river shape it without breaking it apart. The stone couldn't control the river. All it could do was endure without letting itself be shattered. Trading is not so different. The market moves like a river. It doesn't care if you want to go left or right, up or down. It doesn't reward those who are rigid against its flow. It rewards those who learn when to hold their ground and when to let go, and how to survive the constant pull of force bigger than themselves. This is not about stories. This is not a story about rivers and stones. It's a story about traders, about learning to endure without breaking, about understanding that survival comes from not fighting the current, but from learning how to live with it. Much like the stone, every trader begins with the same illusion, that strength means control, that certainty can be conquered with enough knowledge or willpower. But in time, the market teaches you otherwise. It shows you again and again that survival isn't about resisting the flow. It's about learning to move with it, to protect yourself from the inevitable storm without being broken by them. And so, this is the real story of trading begins. Trading appears from a simple distance. You buy, you sell, you make a profit, and then you repeat the process, right? But anyone who has spent enough time in the market will tell you the truth. This isn't a game of certainty. This is a game of survival. The market humbles you, and it doesn't care how much you know, how brilliant you think you are, how much confidence you bring. The market doesn't reward ego. It breaks it down piece by piece. Almost everyone starts with the same mindset. You want to win, you want to make money, you believe you can figure it out if you study hard enough, work smart enough, hustle more than the next person. But eventually, reality steps in. You begin to understand this game isn't about knowing where price will go next. It's about knowing where you will stop, where you will cut a loss, where you will step aside and wait. The traders who survive are not the ones who chase perfection or seek to predict every move. They are the ones who learn how to lose properly. Small losses, control losses, losses that doesn't bleed into something bigger, mentally or financially. Most people can't do that. They fight the market, they fight themselves, they refuse to accept small losses, believing they can somehow force a different outcome. Those small losses eventually snowballs and blow up really come from one bad trade. They come from ignoring the small signs over and over again. And this market isn't cruel. It is just indifferent. It's your responsibility to protect yourself. And good trading isn't loud. It isn't exciting. It isn't full of adrenaline because good trading is quiet, repetitive, and a little boring. Build discipline, and your job is to manage risk, protect your capital, and let time do its work.
Wow, that was beautiful, guys. Oh my god, that was poetic.
Thank you. I'm trying to write something for like a Twitter post, and I was kind of thinking about that, and
That was poetic,
you know,
man.
and it's the truth. Thank you, appreciate that, and that's the truth about the market, right? A lot of times the market is very strong, and sometimes we get into a trade, right? We could be wrong, and we just gotta know, like, hey, when we're wrong, we gotta cut out that trade. That's it.
Exactly. Exactly. Perfect example, man. That was beautiful. That was amazing, actually. Yeah, man. I don't know what other words to add to that because that was incredible. But yeah, that just goes in depth, man. I just posted a video in the chat. If you guys make sure, first of all, you subscribe to the YouTube. Our YouTube has thousands. I'm not even exaggerating. I'm pretty sure we have thousands of video lessons in there. So there's a lot of little things that you can. I could share specific ones, but if you want to, feel free to just navigate. Obviously, YouTube is totally free. But the video that I just sent is how to handle losing in trading because it's a reality and people don't talk about it. And people just post screenshots of gains and oh my god, I'm making money, making money, making money. But not too many people talk about how to lose. So that's something very realistic that we take pride in here. Um, in the fact that the app specifically has a means of you finding who is losing and who is winning. You could. It's very transparent here, is what I'm trying to say. No one can really hide their losses that are on the app. Like losing happens, and you have the capability. Again, I follow specific traders for a specific reason. Right? Like I just give you an example. Like Alexander, right? He's one of our probably most disciplined traders here. He doesn't take hundreds of trades. He doesn't really day trade or scalp. So his win rate is going to be nice and on the higher side. Return per trade is pretty, like I said, he's very disciplined. So for the most part, you won't see like massively huge losses. If anything, it might have been day trades or maybe the app wasn't working or something. That's the only reason I could see him going 100% loss on these. But, again, for the most part, to have a 67% win rate in over 1,400 trades, I mean, it says a lot, right? So, check out that video, guys, when you get a chance. It's like a 10-minute video, really good explanation as to what to do, how to handle your emotions a bit when it comes to trading. When it comes to trading in general, you have to be able to handle the emotions, and it's much easier said than done. Believe me. Sometimes you really have to go through it to learn. I blew multiple accounts, guys. In maybe 2 or 3 years, I blew multiple accounts. Thankfully, they weren't like extremely large accounts. Not like 50K or 100K type of thing. I blew multiple 2,000, 3,000, maybe $4,000 account. One time I grew my account to like 25, maybe 25K, and then I blew about 23 of that. And it feels like shit. It sucks. It's one of the worst feelings. It's depressing. Like, you get a lot of mixed emotions, guys. So the goal again for XTrades is to make sure that you have this resource behind you to back you, to join you through the journey. You're not alone. Your friends and family most likely don't know shit about trading or investing at all. You're probably the person, if you're here, you're probably that person that they rely on, like, hey, what stock should I buy or something like that. And, that's what I'm saying. You have a resource here in front of you. So use it to your advantage. But yeah, guys, so XZ had asked, is there a way to check the leaderboard for the July trading competition? Are you in here? Are you in here? Are you in here? Yeah, I see you. Okay, I see you. Yeah. You can hit the show chat window in the on the top right corner, and you should be able to see the chat. But yeah, so to look at the leaderboard, right? To look at the leaderboard, really quick. This is the leaderboard right here. You can sort by the entire month. So this month, you could see who's in the lead. Oh, shit. I'm second? What the hell? I had no idea.
Oh, shit.
Let's go.
Beast. Let's
We've
go.
been on fire. But yeah, so you can sort by the month, and you can see the top traders for the entire month right here for options and then for stocks. So, yo, top 2 in both, baby. Let's go.
What a monster.
Yeah, we've been having a good yeah, Gardua, man. How'd you know? I've been meaning to show this whole week. I was excited. Nah, I'm just kidding.
It was the moment we all been waiting for.
Nah, honestly, I had no idea I was up there. I don't really look at this leaderboard, but the leaderboard is here for you.
Was number 1
to be able to see who's doing pretty good, who's doing bad. Again, the transparency is huge here. You could see who's been losing, who's been winning, what type of trades are they taking. Maybe it's not your style. Maybe this person is taking too many trades for you, and it's just like overwhelming. And maybe you don't have to follow every single trade that you see, guys. Right? The beautiful thing compared to this Discord, compared to many others, is that we don't have like 1 or 2 guys that are in charge, and like if that one guy has a losing trade, the entire server suffers. Like here, you have the capability to follow specific traders, again, based on your preferences. If you trade stocks, you don't have to follow any options traders. If you trade options, you don't have to follow, vice versa. And same thing on the app when it comes to the trades themselves. You have the filter options where you can follow specific, types of trades. So not only can you follow specific traders, but you can follow specific types of trades by using this alert filters right here. So with this alert filters right here, I'll show you guys real quick. I have, for example, I have a filter which is just my favorite traders. So whether they're trading, whether they're an options trader or a stock trader, doesn't matter for me personally. Again, I could filter just stocks or options if I want to, but I have a whole list of traders that specifically I get a push notification on my phone whenever they alert a specific trade. So you could set one up like this. I have another one that's just long-term and swings. I like to look at who's swinging things. I'm more of a positional swing trader, I think, in my opinion, more than a scalper. But when I do see an opportunity, I will take it. So I can't say I'm full-blown swing trader, but again, you have the opportunity to create filters based on your own preferences. So this is a pretty cool thing. Every single trade, again, not just the entry, but the exit as well. You will get a push notification directly to your phone once you set these up. You can also Sorry guys, I know I'm kind of blabbing here. Let's see 007, right? I could do this as well. You see this little button right here. Every time you go to a specific trader, you can, I already follow him, but I can toggle this little button here, and this will give me a push notification directly to my phone as well. Every time he opens a trade, I'll get an alert, even though he was already on my list on that filter. So I didn't really have to do this, but you have the option to do this with any specific trader that you run into in the app. Like JTW, he's another one of our top analysts. He's the one that does the SPY plan every day. You can also, again, you have this little button right there every time they open a trade. So a lot of little features that we have, guys. You know, it can be a little overwhelming without the guidance. So that's why we do this live stream every Friday, guys. Trump is tweeting again, man.
See.
Most of the trade deals are finished right now. EU has a pretty good chance of making a deal. Would use tariff money for rebates to Americans. Yo, he's trying to pump, man. He's pumping this market.
Yo, I'm looking at Palantir.
Had a breakout, right?
Thinking about.
You're thinking about shorting.
I don't know. Well, we're intraday trading, right? If we're gonna trade like 0DT, I'm thinking about taking short around 160s.
I haven't traded PLTR in so long. Wow, this is a big volume candle. What the hell? This is huge volume.
Yeah, it is very strong though. A lot of stuff are strong today. Tesla is very strong coming out the gate.
Yeah, Tesla. Wow, beautiful. Google. Apple cannot break the stupid 215, man. I don't know why I still have trading. I feel like cutting it, but I'm getting impatient. I'm swinging Apple 215 calls, and we cannot get over 215.
Should I do it, Chris? Should I take this PLTR put?
Yeah, TV LTR short. I never like fighting trend, man. But hey, you're a top caller, man. I don't know how you do it. It's kind of.
I'm only gonna do it if you go in, bro.
Am I going with you? Oh shit! All right, hold on. Let's kind of copy. Let's copy here. Let me see. So let's see. PLTR. Which strike are we looking at here? Let me take a look at the options.
Probably the 157 because
157. That got big volume. Wow. Has some big volume on it.
Oh shit! I can't log into my account right now. Having issues. What's going on?
SPY's breaking down. I kind of like the idea, man. SPY's breaking down here.
Oh, bro, I can't get in right now. Holy smokes!
In what? Your broker?
Yeah, trying to get in this trade. Please let me in. I'm trying to buy it at 157 for 50 cents.
Yeah,
let me in.
I got a limit order for PLTR 157.50 put at 50. Hopefully we get a little pump right here to get filled. Right now,
the FOMO is real.
It's running away from us. Looking like 55 right now.
Oh, the FOMO is so real right now.
Trade plan navigator 635.05. Oh, that's the call stop loss average down. Yeah, so this is the stop loss average down for calls. Even though we didn't get a call entry yet, this sometimes is an area where I like to take to the long side. But again, I don't like. You know, I kind of like scoping out the scene first. We'll see where this next candle goes. But
SPY is moving up a little bit.
Yeah. All right, we might get filled here.
Give us the entry. Guys, don't front run us. We didn't even get in yet. Let us get in first.
Volume going through it. AMD touching highs. I haven't looked at AMD. AMD. Somehow Intel managed to pump AMD yesterday. The most hilarious thing.
Oh yeah, AMD had a buy signal in the 195-minute time frame, so it was kind of due for a nice little bounce.
Bro,
A few days ago.
Can't believe INTC. Oh my god. What?
Oh, there we go. We got entry.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're in. All right, so I'm gonna alert this guy, so just so you see it in live real time, right? So I'm gonna alert a trade on the app, and you guys get to see how it works, right? So BTO PLTR 157.50 put at M is market price. It should be. Oh, I forgot the date. Today is 7/25, and it should be 50, a little bit below. At M. I could have done at M, or I could have done at the specific price. So I got in there at 50. And I'm going to set a couple of orders. If we... Actually, right here. This is a perfect spot. I think, what are we at? 43 now? I'm going to add some contracts right here at this, this trend line top right here. So what are we at? 43.
Yeah, we're at 45 right now.
Yeah, I got filled for 2 more. All right, so right
I would
now,
say if
we're hoping for a nice little curl down, breakdown. SPY's bouncing here, so we'll see what happens. If the market could be extreme bull today, but we're just hoping for a top here on PLTR.
Yeah, if PLTR breaks over 160.25, it's probably gonna go further up. But if it doesn't break over 160.25, this could be the start of the reversal.
Yeah, I like it. All right, so I alerted on the app, right? I could add a chart here. I'll do that. I'll add the chart, right? So you guys can see the update of the chart here. PLTR looking for a top here. Stop above 160.30, let's just say. Right, so now you guys would be able to see it on the Discord. You'll see the update on the Discord. Let me pull it up real quick. A little laggy here. Tier 2 should be here. Or did it get pushed into tier 3? Where the hell's my trade? Oh no, something is wrong. Or did it get pushed into tier sniper? Oh yeah, it did. Okay, it got pushed into tier sniper, but that's not accurate, honestly. They should... Alright, that's a glitch, bro. This is messed up a little bit. I gotta mention this to them. But basically, you should be able to see the updates. Normally, it would have been pushed into tier 2 and tier sniper. But I don't know what happened there. I gotta talk to the devs about this. So yeah, my bad, guys. But anyway, you'll see the alert there. You'll see the push notification as well. And let's see what happens here. This is on the 1 minute. Let me zoom out here. Yo, that volume is kind of crazy. We're hoping this kind of dies down here. SPY's pushing though. Bro, did I not get filled on futures? I never got filled.
Oh, what are you playing on futures?
I was just going long on a breakdown there, yeah, but I didn't hear my order get filled, so probably didn't. Oh, what the hell? Fill my password. Wow, JJ with the 13 trade win streak. That's crazy.
Damn,
We got some traders that
unstoppable.
we got some traders that go on crazy streaks, man. There's a lot of guys, a lot of really good traders that are regular members. That's the beauty of this place, is that there's not just like top traders like analysts. Like you really see some regular members that have been around a long time that just use the app and they go on a crazy streak. I've never looked at. I never even noticed this JJ. I don't know who this is. Let me see. Any questions, guys? Any questions on the app, on the server? Appreciate you guys joining. Okay, he took 10% there. Let me see. JJ trade. 81% win rate. Okay, 14 trades. Oh, he's only just started. Let me see, bro. Who are you? He just started using the app with these 13 trades. Wow, regular member. I don't recall seeing him ever talk in the chats. Look at that. Some people use the app. They don't say anything in the chats. That's totally normal too. So I would have never been, I would have never seen that. I see you, trackpad, bro. You're filling up my stat sheet here. Are you really in all these trades right now? Okay, breakdown, baby. Come on.
Go.
Break it down.
Did anybody get better entries than us?
I would think so because it went like right when I got filled. It went down maybe 10%, 15%. My average is 47 right now. We're looking good here. What's a target? What do you think is target would be 007 first target here?
First target, I would be looking for probably 158.6 ish, somewhere around there, to that 158 or 159 range area. That's where the previous high of this morning was. So
yeah.
if we hit that 159, we'll probably be up 25% ish.
Okay.
But if we can break that if we can break that previous high from like around 934, 935 ish, right? If we can break under that, that would be a flush too. So far we've been holding that level there. If you just draw the line across,
right here,
see it.
Yeah, this is weird wicking right now.
So if you go to the 1 minute or like 30-second time frame.
1 minute.
Yeah. So you see that line on the bottom, right? So that's from that red line right there.
I see it. Yeah.
So if we can, if you drag that down a little bit more, if we can break under that line, then that could potentially be a breakdown because that's the previous high from 935 ish, and we've been holding that level so far.
Yep, I can see that.
So on the upside, we can also break out as well if we go above 160 ish.
Yeah, 160 is a big, just a big psych level too.
Yeah.
What's up with Apple? Apple's got some confluence here too, man. Again, but I'm sick of Apple. I feel like I don't want to trade it, but I feel like this is a good opportunity to go long too. Baba, oh my God, why didn't I listen to myself, bro? Forgot about Baba. I wanted at 119.60. Damn. Let me Send an alert, man. If this pulls back down, just in case. SPY still hasn't. Again, it did bounce right off that 333 SMA right here on the 5-minute. That would, again, I did mention earlier that call stop loss average down. Sometimes I take trades on that line, and so far it did bounce off of that. But we'll see if we actually break above. If we do break to the call entry and start to break above, I'd be very afraid of being bearish at all today.
I agree.
Dell, bro, check out Dell, man. So let me know what you think about Dell. And when it breaks 130, I think this chart looks so strong. Take a look at Dell when you get a chance. You don't have to do it now.
Oh, let me see. Oh yeah, I'm surprised some of these stocks aren't like hitting new highs because they're part of the AI and computer sector too as well, you know? And AI has been a huge push.
Yeah.
But
yep.
Dell's been good. Dell has been bouncing off very well on the 48-minute support. Been pushing upwards. It's in an uptrend. I think it's a good long investing stock at this point.
For sure.
Wow, dude, this is like one of the longest chops we had to deal with in the market right now.
Yeah, right. I'm surprised actually. We got 10 a.m. It looks like we want to push to the upside, but also I don't know. It just seemed like people are just cautious. I don't know.
Well, so Bitcoin is down 2.5% today, and
yeah, crypto names are being weird because I was long Riot. I liked it to break above $15, and now I'm down on that trade.
oh,
So this is what's this tier sniper for? Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
even gold is down 1%.
Yeah, I think Atlas mentioned that gold futures was a big short. SPY looks pretty good. Let's see. Let's check the. Yeah, China's not too hot right now. Pretty healthy pullback overall, though. If this is even a big pullback, I mean, it's not much. To me,
Yeah, it's very weird.
China's, in my opinion, I'm pretty bullish on China. Let's see, biggest losers, INTC, of course, shocker. Mara is down 2%. Coin. Oh, what's up with Coin? A coin I want.
Coin is just following BTC.
Yep, it could break down pretty hard here, bro. We're getting down to this previous day low. What was it that I mentioned? 387.12. If we lose that, it's kind of scary for Coin.
Well, something is going off today. Something is very off today. Check this out. If you check the index, right? NQ is pushing today, and then you have Russell, or if you go to like finviz.com, you can see it where NQ is pushing, Russell is down, YM is down pretty bad, and S&P is starting to push a little bit here.
What's YM? China?
Dow Industrials. Yeah. So we're seeing some rotation into the sectors, or rotation out of those sectors and back into the market, which means that we might see a strong tech day or a max 7 day. I don't know. A strong max 7 day would mean Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia starting to push up.
Yeah, so far, I mean,
We
just pulling up
just
these 6, I see Apple's looking pretty good now. Nvidia looks pretty damn strong. Google had a nice gap up and now kind of pushing down. Microsoft also did the same kind of action. I think all the mags look pretty damn healthy right now. Tesla, man.
Damn, that's what we should have played.
Tesla's looking freaking good.
Yeah,
Come on,
Tesla's looking
BLTR.
good. It could push.
We always have gifts for pumping us down to the upside, but we need some dump it memes.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, Chris. At this point, if we're not breaking down in the next like
Oh, here we
five,
go.
10 minutes, I might want to get out, break even, man.
Yeah.
Because the longer we're in this trade, the more we're just gonna get burned by data.
XYZ looking good. Over 80.
Do it, do it.
Come on, I know it wants to break down so bad. We're getting literally the action that I drew out earlier. Just need a little more. Oh no. You can't look at the 1 minute. Oh my god, XYZ, bro. It looks pretty good. Bro, which one? Oh, it was this one. Okay. Olzar, thanks for joining, man. If you're still here, I appreciate it. Thanks for the kind words. And of course, you guys, we do this every Friday again, just to make sure if you guys came a little late. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. What's up, Jared? Thanks for joining. Jace, what's up? Kensai, what's up? What's going on? Good morning, good morning. Minu, what's up? Yusef, what's up? Okay. I'm getting some red candles here. Let's go. We're going green to red, baby. I mean, red to green.
Let's go.
Break it down.
This
Break it down.
is what we need. This is what we need.
This has been great. The value on XTrades is
Oh,
high.
let's go.
Yeah.
Here we go, baby.
Woo! Come on, baby. Pump these contracts, man. What's the contracts not moving?
What the
Yo, these contracts are fluctuating.
Bro, the contract is not moving.
Yo, that's crazy.
We're getting scammed.
Yay, thanks for the kind words, man. Yeah, the value at XTrades is high. Yes, for sure. Yeah, the Discord scene. I mean, look, it's a lot of, like I said, mostly it's a lot of Discords out there that has maybe one or two, three traders at best. And you know, if you kind of live and die by the sword by one or two people, it's tough. You know, because again, losing is part of the game. So if they lose, everybody in the server loses. You don't really want that. You want the ability to be able to, you know, again, follow traders based on your own preferences here. Yo, I cannot believe those contracts went to break even only. That should have been like 20% right there.
For reals. All right, they held that support one more time. Let me see. Let's see if they can break down that support.
Yeah, I like that it's testing though. Remember, I like the description that 007 gave one time. I'll never forget it. Actually, it was during a random live stream, and I always use this example now, which is basically the way you describe support and resistance. Just like it's a wall, and you keep punching that wall, punch it enough times, and eventually it's gonna break down or go higher. You know, obviously if you're talking about the upside, but right. So that's a good description of if you're a brand new trader. Support resistance. BTBT is down to $3, Nick. Again, let me see. Let's take a look. Crypto's pretty weak today. Probably it's related to that. Oh, what the hell? I want to compare. Oh my god, BTBT. Yep, I do like it here. This is the 333 SMA and the 200 SMA on the daily chart here. What is this hovering here? Why is that there? I don't know what I did.
Oh, we do have data today, though.
Oh, I thought we didn't have any. What else?
I think
what
we
else
have the Atlanta Fed GDP data at 11:30.
What the hell? I didn't see that when I pulled up.
It's a 2-star event, but I think that could move the market too, in one direction or another. But I don't want to stay. I don't think I can stay on till that long.
Yeah, no.
Till 11:30.
Let's see. Oh shit! I did take a futures trade earlier. See, I did get filled. Only one though. I only had one contract.
Nice.
Wow, exactly.
You must have made money.
Bottom. Yeah, $25. Nothing crazy, but might take a short here, man.
All right, PLTR, break that support.
Come on, I'm betting on shorts.
We need this money.
Short. I'm betting on shorts. If you hear order filled, you already know what went down. Nice trackpad. Let's go.
Yeah, if you look at the market, if you look at the S&P 500 or SPY from 9 a.m. to 10:20, we just been stuck in this range, man. Just up and down,
Yeah,
in this tight range.
Very choppy. Yeah.
If you examine it on like the 1 minute time frame, it's ridiculous.
Ooh, I don't like this.
The range that we're stuck in.
I don't like this PLTR candle we just got here. Primal, hey, thanks for joining, brother. Nice stream. Thank you. Yeah, guys, Primal is one of our top traders on the CT side. If you guys are not familiar already, again, you do have full access to the crypto trader side as well. I sent the link above. Just scroll up. You'll see the link to the crypto traders server. And again, they do live trading there as well, time to time. And some really good analysts there, man. Some really good traders there. If you are not familiar with crypto at all, it's never too late, guys. The crypto, if there's anything we know, is crypto is not going anywhere at this point. At this point, you just have to live with the fact that it's going to exist, and it's probably going to be expanded more so into the financial markets.
Yep.
Yeah, so BTBT is pretty weak here, but yeah, you can open this for a swing. I do like it for a swing here again. But let me see. Why am I getting percentages, bro? What did I do to this chart? Let me close this, man, because I don't know what I did there.
You might have added a comparison to it if you're getting percentages.
Yeah, that was weird. I don't know what the hell I did there, but let me just open a new tab. I'm still learning TradingView, honestly. I don't know everything there is about TradingView.
We're always learning.
I've been trying to use their stock screener. Pretty good stuff. I can actually use it more. Ooh, I'm ready to short.
Chris, I don't like the shorts right now, man.
I know, man. It's tough, bro. This is tough right now. VIX keeps going down. We need to like push to 16 to be short here.
I'm itching to get out.
If SPY breaks to this 635.91, I could see just everything green today. I could see just a big push to the upside today. But for some reason, crypto's not participating. For whatever reason, crypto is not participating today.
Crypto might start inversing the market soon. I mean, Bitcoin wise. Because it's getting more closely pegged to gold. And gold is like a fair gauge as well.
Yeah, Bitcoin down 2.5. Let's see. All the crypto ETFs are down except HODL, which I don't even know what that one is. Forgot. Forgot what that one holds. Let's see. Crypto miners. Oof. Wow. Nasty. Pretty nasty action on all these. Coin is kind of held up that 388 area this whole time. Just something worth noting. But damn, pretty nasty
Should we take
all around. If SPY starts to move higher here, I kind of I like a coin lotto, bro, to the upside. This 387 is a pretty easy stop loss too. Oh yeah, breakdown again. Come on. BLTRs playing with our emotions. We're getting theta burn, guys. I don't like holding for too long.
Yeah, I don't like holding for too long. I might just exit this for break even, Chris.
Let's see with SPY. I mean, I think my stop would be if SPY gets to this call entry right here, 635.91. I have to assume that PLTR is probably going to be above 160. So I kind of I still have hope for this short. It just SPY is pretty choppy, man. Just choppy waters right now. Maybe a lot of profit taking and a lot of different positioning going on in the market right now could be.
Well, the thing I don't like about SPY right now is that it's making from 9 a.m. to now is starting to make higher highs and not lower lows.
Bitcoin down 2.5%.
So in the morning, you know, from like within the last hour or so, SPY is not breaking lower, which is what we kind of need if we want the market to come down a little bit.
Right. Oh my God, Dell's so strong right now. I'm in Dell calls. I don't know why I didn't. Toast looks really good.
Oh, that's one of my favorite stocks, man.
Bro, Toast? Wow. Yo, above 48. Watch out. This thing's going to new highs. TSLL shares. Anybody take TSLL shares with me yesterday? That was a nice entry, I thought. Yeah, BTBT. I think I'm gonna add some shares here. Nick, I kind of like the risk reward over here. Oh shit, SPY's pumping, bro.
All right, get out of this at 40.
SPY's pumping here. 635.70. I have a feeling.
I'm out, Chris. I'm out.
You're out?
Yeah, I cut that loss.
I got filled on shorts. On futures.
Oh no, dude.
All right, if I break above here, I'll stop out, man. Just take a quick loss. Bye.
Yeah, I took a small loss on that, man. It wasn't. If SPY is breaking out, SPY is gonna break out.
Patience, yep. Patience. Kenzai says patience. Did anybody follow us on this trade? Yeah, it looks like guys, it looks more imminent that SPY is about to break out here. So we're gonna cut this trade on the app. Should be about a 15, maybe 15% loss here. Yeah, just about. Not liking price action.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys. I wish we could have caught that breakdown. On the 5 and 10 minute, it looked good when we started the trade, but things didn't break down as we wanted to.
Yeah. 0.3. Yeah, small loss, no big
Yep.
deal. Again, this is just part of the game, guys, right? Part of the game. Take a small loss, move on to the next. And that's how we do it. I know. Yeah, I gotta tell them about that. We don't want to get congratulated when we lose. There we go. Dell call entry is in effect, guys. Again, if you guys didn't know already, JTW also hosts a live stream every Tuesday and Thursday. I cannot recommend it enough. If you have the time to join up. It does get posted on our YouTube right after it streams. And basically, he provides us with a few trade plans to both the upside and the downside. Personally, I gave him the ticket request of Dell. I thought it looked really good if we get above 130. And I mean, honestly, I took the call entry at 128.15. It was alerted multiple times yesterday. And I'm up 40% on this already. But again, the call entry is there. If anybody's interested in taking Dell calls, you could still take this at the call entry here. And again, the whole trade plan is right here for you. Let me. Congrats on losing 15%. Right, so you get those trade plans, at least 2 or 3 trade plans every Tuesday and Thursday. That's literally enough for an entire like 2 weeks. You don't really need anything else on watch after that. Like, again, you're gonna miss some opportunities in the market. Again, like I said, it's impossible to catch every single trade that's going to make money. It's just not gonna happen. So, just understand you will miss out on some trades. It's just not possible to catch every one of them. Yeah, I might take it. I'm about to take the L on this futures trade, bro.
Is it time to go long on coin?
Oh shit, I forgot about coin. Let me see. Oh my god, bro! Right before you said that, 388. Look at that, man. Guys, I talked. I mean, if anybody was listening to me before the stream started, we pretty much marked this level as a potential point of support where we could take to the long side. I mean, it was there, but we didn't. We weren't focused on it. Baba, what's up with China? China's a little bit too mixed for me. I don't like it. But coin is seems like these crypto stocks are all kind of buy the dip opportunity right now. Oh my god, dude. XYZ. Let me check my trade for this. Might have to close this.
All right, I'll be back, Chris. I gotta take this call.
All right, no problem. Where's my XYZ? Yeah, we're pretty much break even. I like XYZ setup right now. Looks good. Yo, JTW in the building. You had me muted? Damn, man. Come on. It was probably when, you know what happens, man, when I turn the mic on during my phone calls and mess up your live streams. My bad. I'm sorry. Is that long indicator out on coin in the TV plugin? Which one? Let me take a look. Are you probably talking about NTS here? Yeah, this one? Okay, yeah. So this is part of NTS indicator, which JTW, I don't know how you just popped in, man, and as this question happened right now. But it's just like magic. But JTW created this NTS indicator, the one you see right here with these short and long signals and this bull and bear ribbon, as well as the lines that you see here, this 200 and 333 SMA. All that is JTW. If I remove it, right? Again, all that is part of his indicator. So that indicator, all members get a discount on that TradingView indicator. You guys can feel free to check out the video instructional guide. It's an actually invite-only indicator. It's a paid indicator every year. It has a yearly subscription. But again, every member gets a discount. The higher the tier of your membership, the bigger the discount. And you can find it. I didn't even talk about this yet. But on the app, you have what's called our XTrades item store. It's our shop, basically a marketplace where people, where traders can post their own indicators, can post their own scanner, scripts, any ebooks, anything that can potentially help other members out. You can also potentially make some money doing this as well. If you have indicators of your own, you can always post them. Some are free in here. There's some free stuff in here as well. And there are some indicators that, you know, have some cost to it. But again, every single member has a discount on all these prices. The prices you see right here are for as if it was an elite paying member. So as if you're a monthly paying member, this is the price that you would get for the yearly. So annually, $315. 007 also has his own swing trading system, a really good one as well. I can't recommend, I mean, honestly, both of them. The best part about these indicators and scanners that you see in here is that you'll get the one-on-one guidance on how to use them, basically. There's a video guide, there's a PDF, and we could share those. I could, JTW, if I have the links. Actually, I have the links, bro. What am I talking about? I have the links handy right here. I got you, bro. NTS. This is, the Trade Plan Navigator. Let me share this one. This is for the Trade Plan Navigator. This is the one that's totally free for any members. And we got the XTrades Pro, and then we got NTS right here. So NTS indicator is this one. Video guide. JTW makes the coolest videos, by the way. Look at this shit. Yo, nobody has a cooler intro than this. What? What? That intro is amazing.
It looks badass too.
Yeah, right? JTW, man. With
Yeah.
that freaking beast intro right there. But yeah, guys. So again, that indicator is a paid one, but again, I use it literally every day. I mean, I can't recommend it enough. I've also learned from it. Oh my God, XYZ, baby. Where are we going above 80? I got a target at 85, man. XYZ looks pretty damn strong. Finally breaking above 80.
Oh, XYZ got added to the S&P 500, I think last Friday or something.
Yeah, last week. Yep. Had a big move. I mean, it went from like 72 or something. We had a trade plan on this. Man, that made me so much money. JTW, thank you, bro. that was one of my best trades of the year. Obviously, we got a huge gap up. But XYZ, the plan was here. And we were in this thing from pretty much around the 70 area. The call entry was there. There was not much break to the upside. We had many opportunities to get back in this. And then, sure enough, I mean, it was just an explosion on Friday. I mean, all my trades went up like, I don't know, 700%. It was crazy.
Damn.
Yeah, it was nice. Oh, it's amazing. Yep. Yo, good thing we got out of PLTR shorts, man. This thing's looking
Order filled.
like it wants to go.
Oh shit! Was that my order fill? Or was that your order fill?
That was you. That was you, because I'm about to get. I think I probably got out of this.
Oh, I was long. I was long. I'm out. I was long some futures.
Yeah, I think I'm about to actually go long here above the call entry we're about to get to. So guys, so if you are a index trader trading SPY QQQ, we pretty much got our call entry right here. 635.91 was the call entry. Why didn't I get the alert? Did I get the alert? I didn't. I just missed it. So we're gonna see what happens at this candle break right here. This is a position where you can potentially take starter entries, but I like to wait for a little bit of a pullback personally. That's just me. That's just me. Everybody has their little preferences. Um, but the market's looking pretty damn green. What do you think, JTW? Let's see. Let me get this going. Let me check out the options chain. I haven't even looked at the options chain yet. SPY. Okay. Guys, any questions? Any questions on the server, on the app, etc., etc.? It's your time to shine. It's time to ask guys questions. Ask questions, guys.
100%. Stick to the plan.
Looks like a confirm stick to the plan. We've needed to leverage the stop loss area more than I'd like. I was thinking about taking a call entry. Look at that 333 SMA right here, literally pretty much right hovering above that the call stop loss average down. I was telling him earlier, like I take a lot
Find
of
your trades and trade your
on
plans.
this stop loss average down right here. I take a lot of trades right there with those. What the hell, Neo? Why is Neo pumping? Is China starting to move, guys? I just got a notification that Neo started moving 5% when it was down earlier. Did it just get a big breakout candle or something? Oh yeah, big volume candle right here. Neo volume has increased lately. I'm almost positive. Look at this volume increase over the last couple months. This could be a sign of a bigger move, guys, in the long term here. I had 540 as a big spot.
Good.
Who was playing with the soundboard? Is that you, JTW? I knew it.
Oh, we added more sounds to the soundboard.
Did you? Did you add some? Nice. We've been slacking on those. I tried to add a lot of emojis to the Discord. I think I did the server some justice there. We needed a lot of different ones. All right, so let me let me check this option chain, man. You guys are cracking me up. SPY. Probably be on for another maybe 20 minutes, guys. I got a meeting soon, so I gotta prep a little bit for that. Let's see. So what are we taking here? 636 calls, was it? The GOAT quote.
Same. Same. I gotta head out exactly at 11. Are you gonna alert any other call plays, Chris?
I think I'm gonna take SPY calls right here on this little pullback. Right here.
I can't play SPY. That's one of my rules.
Your rules is not trade SPY?
Yeah, I told you. Remember, I told you this a long time ago. I cannot trade SPY anymore.
Do ES.
Yeah, I know. That's the only thing I can do. But I already went long on ES, and I already hit my lockout for the day.
Oh shoot. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'm taking SPY 630. Oh shit. I didn't realize I took 637 calls, but that's okay. I wanted 636, man. Oh, why the hell did I do that? But that's okay. I'm gonna alert it, guys. So I'm gonna alert another trade in the app. Again, we're gonna post an alert. We're gonna do BTO SPY 637 call for today at market price. Wait a second. It's not 27. What am I? Oh, 28. Oh shit! No wonder. I bought 637 calls for fucking Monday. Oh my god. I meant to buy today's strike, guys. Oh my god. Why the hell did I do that?
It's okay. You'll be fine.
Yeah, all right. I guess we can still do it. It's fine. All good. I meant to do 635 for today. I don't know how the hell I ended up doing 635. 637, man. What the hell?
Chris, if you see any calls, like any trades that you want to take, let me know. So maybe I can get something with you. Get in something with you before I go.
All right, cool. You got it, brother.
Maybe Google.
I appreciate the kind words, man.
Maybe Google, maybe Microsoft or Coinbase.
Yeah, let me see coin, bro, because I was on big watch, man. Oh my god. I'm so jealous that I did not take anything right here, man.
Yeah, I'm tight. We missed Tesla this morning, man. Because that's one of
Tesla?
another thing that we usually watch. Yeah.
What a big runner, yeah. Tesla's running today, baby. Wow. Nvidia looks good. Apple is still 215 is kryptonite. I don't know what the hell is about, man. I saw Crazy A said Apple 215. That should have been the top signal right there. I should tell him don't say shit about Apple.
You guys are such trolls.
Yeah, Amazon. Amazon looks for a day trade though. Or are you talking about swinging, JT?
Yeah, for 0DT trade.
This one, yeah. This one actually looks like good support. Let me zoom into this one. Amazon. Amazon, yeah, it started out red on the day. Actually, Amazon looks attractive, yeah. We got some support right here, 231. This again, the 330 SMA. You see how it bounced exactly off of that amazing indicator, JT, man. I don't know how you did it. And it kind of coincides also with this bear bull ribbon right here, pretty much the bottom of the ribbon. So that also shows me some support as well. So that's an easy stop loss right here. Like if we take a trade right here for Amazon, we could use this 231 as a stop loss, or a break above 232 as well can also be an entry. We got above the VWAP would be pretty much right there. So yeah.
Oh crap!
What's up?
You're not gonna believe that.
What?
I just got an alert that Palantir broke the 190. I mean 150, 159. Sorry, 159, 159.
You gotta be shitting me. You gotta be shitting me, bro. Oh my god. This is about to break down, man. Oh my god. Can't believe it. Where's Kaizen? Kaizen said patience, man. He told us. He's a member. He told us. Hold on, guys. 1 second.
Kaizen said it. No, but the puts didn't go up much.
Hold on, guys, one sec. Okay, dime.
Mire, mi amor, en la mañana me fui y me salió esto.
Tienes que apretar esto para actualizar la aplicación. Nada más era eso. Después de eso vas a estar bien.
Ya, le vuelvo
Sí.
a ponchar lo que trabajé, ¿verdad?
Sí,
Ya, mi amor.
vas a estar bien.
Uy, muy
¿Ok?
amable, mi amor. Ay, Dios
Bueno,
mío,
no, que
qué
esté bien.
problema conmigo.
Atlas, do you trade a lot of futures?
Tranquila, yo te siento. Lo mismo, gracias. Buen fin de semana. Chao. All right, I'm back. Oh my god, how dare these people walk in while we're day trading here? Don't they know I'm busy?
Yeah, that's awesome, Atlas.
You said
I
it.
love
You said it. You said it. Be patient. Be patient. I mean, that breakdown. I wonder what the cost would have been. I'm curious what it would have cost right there. Um, all right, but you know what? With this pullback,
it didn't go up. It's still the same price.
still, yeah, it's pretty much bounced right off
Yeah.
of VWAP right there on the 5 minute.
But
All right, so
that's good though. It's good for those people that are in the trade because that just means that that support now became a resistance because we have broken down under it.
Mm-hmm.
So that's very good for people that are still in the trade because that's hope. That's like,
Yeah, giving some opium.
yep,
I'm still
it could truly break down.
still liking SPY longs here. This is now the nine. This line right here that I have is the 921 EMA. Also on the 5 minute. Now we do have the stop loss average down as well. So again, 635 is that area where it would be a stop loss average down. So just consider that. So far we did not break above yet, but now I can probably take a long on the 635. Damn it. PLTR, mother effer, man.
All right, guys, I gotta run. It was good talking to you, Chris. Always fun hanging out with you on Fridays.
Yes, sir. All right, man. Thanks for joining, bro, always, and appreciate the insight always. Hopefully, you guys heard that beautiful story earlier in the day, earlier in the stream. When it comes to having risking and losing, learning how to lose, etc. We talked about earlier. So, yeah, man. Thanks, 007, bro. Have a good weekend, man.
Yeah, likewise, JT as well. Always love chatting with you too. Have a great day.
Thanks, Card Duel.
All right. Plan your trades and trade your plans.
JT. Plan your trades and trade your plans, guys. That's right. All right, yeah, I kind of like this entry, guys. I'm gonna take the 635 here too. JT, I just love the logo here, man. Don't mind that I was showing your stats off earlier. BTO SPY SPY 635 call. This is the one where I originally wanted. 725 at M should be around 120. Yep. Risky day trade SPY plan. We're just following the SPY plan, guys. So again, if we break down to 635, you guys can consider a stop loss. And now it depends on your portfolio. If you're comfortable enough to average down, then you can. But again, it does say stop loss or average down, right? So keep that in mind always, right? Just because you have, like, if you have $1,000 in your port and you average down with your entire port, it's probably a bad idea, and you don't want to do that. You survive and move on to the next trade, guys. Don't just like blow your account on one trade. It's never worth it to do it on one trade. Never. Bro, XYZ looks amazing. Apple, I'm so tired of Apple. I don't even want to look at it anymore. Just alert me when it gets above 215 again. I don't even want to look at it. Oh my god, PLTR, you piece of shit, man. This is the breakdown we wanted earlier. We just never got it, so we got a little impatient. A lot of choppiness, but yeah, looks like it might happen this time. Holding with that VWAP. SPY had a nice volume pump there. This is a low volume pullback in my opinion, so let's see what happens here. Pretty interesting spot. Taking longs on futures too.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Any questions? Any questions? Be careful on your calls. Possible rejection from MES, ES. If you can't hold the 90 MA, we go back to that circle. Let's see. Let me see that. 640. 6408. Where are we at? Okay. Thanks for that insight, Atlas. Yeah, I just like the confluence, like above. Like, there's a lot of kind of safe areas to stop out. Like, if we lose this 333 SMA on the 5-minute, 635.25, that'll tell me that maybe we can kind of have some support there. Or if we break below, then we got another. Again, the way I'd like to describe, especially for newer traders, I like to describe support as life support, right? Think of life support. What happens when you lose life support? You're dead, right? So we got some support here. We got some support here. If we break down below this, then we'll potentially head towards the put entry, and then we could have a big breakdown day. But I just like the fact that we have a lot of kind of support. Again, we got this 921 EMA. I got the bull ribbon up here. I have the 200 SMA is the purple line right here. I got VWAP here. It's just a lot of little things that, again, all these little things that can potentially help your trades out, guys. If you're just blindly taking calls and puts with no, nothing to back your bias, then again, you're gonna have a hard time. Yo, fucking PLTR, man. We called the top on this, but didn't take the trade. Honestly, those contracts are probably the same exact price because the data. Let me take a look. PLTR. What contract was that? 157.50 for today. Yeah, actually, they're still the same price. They're actually still the same price of when we stopped out. 37.38. Yeah, so just getting theta burn on those contracts. Even though it's down here, it's still down because of, again, theta is a MFer. The target was originally here, but so much time had passed, a whole hour and a half, pretty much. We took it, yeah, pretty much a full hour. And the original entry was at 50 cents. And we're still at $40. Because it's, I don't know, I guess maybe the IV isn't as much on PLTR, I don't know. Not enough juice. But yeah, the target, technically it hit. It was a break below 159 to see this 158.60 area. But damn, the price of these contracts didn't move. That's why we took the loss earlier on it. Here we go. I think that little pullback provided an opportunity to go long, so we'll see what comes of that. XYZ, man. I'm pretty bullish on this still. Just taking a look at contracts. Not really enough volume to attract me though. Not enough volume on these contracts for XYZ. Look at that. Another pump on PLTR. Yeah, I'm not too interested in PLTR anymore, honestly. I gotta say. Are you in did you chase those PLTR puts, Mike? Were you in them with us? Yeah, see, this easily probably broke it down even more. So look at that pump candle right there. SPY's looking pretty healthy action so far, pretty choppy. Pretty choppy action, man. VIX is hanging around this 15 spot. Yo, how about Dell? JT, you still here? How about Dell? We got that call entry, baby. I took that trade off the call entry. Wait, did I save it? Hold on. Dell. Check out Dell. We got the call entry. I've been in it since 128.15, man. It alerted me so many times. It was talking to me yesterday. Take the trade, take the calls. And here we are. A little gap up later. I'm up 40% on Dell calls. And yeah, if you just zoom out, man, I really love this chart. I really love this chart for a massive breakout, but we'll see what happens. I as long as it holds this 130 spot, I really like it. But we'll see what happens. We'll see how it closes today. I would love if it just closes above 130. I'll be happy. SPY's pretty choppy last 15 minutes. Thoughts on Hood? Honestly, Hood has been out of my radar ever since it got to 100. I haven't looked at it. It's just too extended for me personally. We traded the shit out of it from when it went from 40 to like 60 and went crazy. Excuse my language, but yeah, we traded that name pretty heavily before. I haven't touched it really since it hit. I don't even know. I've definitely missed some of this rally though. That's for sure. Yeah, I missed probably from 80, 87. I didn't touch it. Definitely around when it got to 80. I don't think I touched this. Yeah, this huge gap up right here, I missed this. I missed this gap up. So I missed the move from 85 to 100 for sure. But from here, definitely we got this move. We got some of this move. All the way up to 70, yeah, maybe 75 or so. But yeah, I mean, if I'm looking at... Oh, hold on, guys. Spam. Wow, nice move, Hood, man, today. Yeah, this is a big volume candle right here today. 1.26 mil right there on the 1 hour. Yeah, this could see higher. It bounced right off again. This is NTS JTW, man. What a beast. Look at it. Look at how it held this line, this 200 SMA right here. Bounce. Right? Survived right here. Bounced. Again, broke down a little bit, but bounced. Broke down a little bit, bounced again, boom, boom. Right? I always liked using those as support resistance levels. All right, SPY's back at the call entry. So yeah, Hood looks like, I guess it's gonna go higher, man. I can't deny this looks bullish as hell again. What do you think about Hood, JT? I mean, the 100 level psych is huge. It depends what type of, trade you're looking at. I marked these fib levels a long time ago. And let's see where those coincide. 119 would be next target, according to these fibs. Tesla puts. Hell no. No, I'm just kidding. Let me see. Hell no. I don't. I mean, look, you gotta have balls to short the top on a name like Tesla, man. When Tesla runs, it runs. Apple breaking down again. Amazon is breaking back to this 231.20. I kind of want Amazon calls. Nah, man. I personally, I'm not a fan of trying to time the tops. I was even hesitant on this PLTR trade. Like, trying to time the top is very difficult. Like, PLTR is like, that's it. It's going to hang up here for a while. Let me just close this chart. Not even interested in that anymore. China's very weak today. I don't know what that's about. Not very weak, but it's pretty weak today. Tesla 315 has been a huge spot of resistance in the past. What kind of became support and has broken out from that area as well. So I don't think I would even think about taking puts here, man. You got to have some cojones to take puts up here and try to time the top. It broke out at some major levels on the 5 minute. Let's see. Oh, I mean, could take short right here. This is the 200 SMA on the 15 minute. Oh, wait a second. What is this? Why do I have these? Oh, sorry. These are 20. It's the 200 EMA. NTS changed my colors, man. I don't like that. JT, man. I don't like that. I like purple and blue for my 333. Yeah, again, man, this is really hard to time the top. Especially if the market starts to rally here, which I still am pretty damn bullish. Personally, I wouldn't be interested in shorting this, bro. Jay, what do you think, man? What's your insight here? What are you thinking? What's your target if you're trying to take puts? I mean, the only reason it broke down, it looks like that 315 was earnings, you know. Yeah, Jay wants to short Tesla. I'm not financially advising that I probably wouldn't. That's just me. Yeah, I took TSLL shares yesterday off that pretty much around this area, 301, something like that. I felt like it was a decent opportunity to swing shares. Let me check those now, actually. Yeah, TSLL shares are up 6%. Not bad. There goes SPY. Let's go. Come on. Keep it pushing. I'm not that confident yet. I would rather see a big volume push right here and let the shorts get out. You know, I could see somebody shorting off this previous high and they say, hey, I'm going to take a short and I'll take a stop loss above this previous high, which is, what is this, 630, 613. So we could see some shorts get out of here and start to move this higher. Also, yesterday's previous high is actually the same area. Wow, that's actually funny how that works, huh? 636.15 was yesterday's high. So that could be a big area of resistance right there that if we get above, looks good. JT says at 317.34. Yeah, like this just has a lot of momentum right now. And remember, always after earnings, you always see some wacky action. So something to consider. JTW has this rule that I always remembered, and I try my best to kind of abide by it. It's a 3-day rule. After a stock has earnings, wait 3 days to trade it. Just don't trade it for those 3 days. Like sometimes depending on the stock, there's literally, for Tesla specifically, there's billions of dollars in movement after earnings. Like a lot of action is happening. A lot of things are, moving around. A lot of moving pieces. A lot of analysts are doing their ratings, and institutional funds are, deciding whether they want to stick around with Tesla or buy more if they had already. So you got to consider all that stuff, and then you kind of get a base, and now you can start to trade it more comfortably. But some people irrationally just buy the dip. I mean, me personally, I saw 300 as a good level where this is good support. If Tesla loses 300, then you get the hell out of the trade. But that's the only reason I took TSLL shares. I said if it holds 300, that's a good spot. And sure enough, I mean, we're at 316 now. Pretty good. Mr. G-Man says sell puts. Yeah, selling options, guys. If you're not familiar with selling options, I mean, it's something that I'm trying to learn more and more of. JTW is really good at that. And we have some really good traders as well that sell options pretty often. And SoFi is actually one of them. Now that you mention that, SoFi, I like it at 20. I just think it's kind of been up here for too long. Guys, I got like 10 more minutes, man. I gotta head out. But yeah, I kind of like it at 20. I'm hoping that it pulls back. But right now it's just choppy waters. We traded this. This is another name. I've been scalping this. I'm up like 80% on shares. Since $12 just about. And then again, I mean, this has been on the radar since literally SoFi was like $5, man. $8, I think. I mean, yeah, just in April it was $9. Let that sink in. Like, yeah, I've been trading this name for months, really since last year. Buying long calls on SoFi. Personally, I would, if I have 100 shares at least, I would be selling calls. I think it's a little extended. It needs to kind of chill out. That's just me personally. Oh yeah, I got you, man. I thought I did answer you earlier, but it's all good. I'll tell you again. Yeah, so go to the app, right? Go to the app. go to traders, right? Top users of XTrades. I don't know why they changed this. They should just change this back to leaderboard. It used to say leaderboard, but anyway, click right here. You're going to go to, it depends on options or stocks. I don't want to show off too much. I don't want to show off too much, bro, because I just found out this when I did this earlier for you. You go to this month, and then, bam, right? I just happen to be in the top 3. I don't know. It's not my fault. and then you can look at stocks as well. And then, bam, I'm in there in top 3 as well. No. Looks like this is the end for Lululemon. Yeah. That's why everybody was making fun of that earlier, because I didn't know, honestly. I really didn't know. Gardul said that I was waiting the whole week for this. But yeah, oh yeah, guys, by the way, the survey, the XTrades survey is now open. Actually, I love this little icon that they have here now. So what that means is every single month, at the end of every month, we have a monthly survey. Again, guys, the transparency factor that we have here is huge. We allow our members to vote for those traders who have helped them in any kind of way, whether it's answering questions, whether it's winning some trades and making some money. All of that, you can vote for your traders that have helped you pretty much. So it's very simple. It literally takes 5 minutes, and we really appreciate if you guys just fill it out. If you're a member, you should have access to fill out the survey. So please do. You have all the way up to August 5th, I believe, to vote for your favorite traders, or not favorite traders, for the traders who have helped you in any kind of way, who provided the most insight, profits, or knowledge. And there's different tiers of sections here. So make sure you guys get a vote in. It really makes a difference for all of us here as traders. And regular members also get promoted, actually. If you're a brand new trader here, you can get promoted within the ranks. Yeah. Wow, it got really quiet in here. My AC turned off. How are we looking? Spy's looking pretty good. Still looking good. Apple, I can't stand you, Apple. Tesla, look at that pump, man.
Cheeky
this is why
bastard.
we don't short Tesla, bro. Like right out the gate, like that. Look at that pump, Jay. Crazy move, man. Tesla's one of those stocks that's really hard to short. Big momentum. Hey, what's up, Buzzo? I didn't see you there, man. Thank you. Thanks for joining. What's up, Yusef? Again, anybody on trial ended status, you guys, again, just for joining the live stream, guys, you are eligible for a discount on membership. Just DM me, friend request me. I'll send you guys the discount on membership. Just let me know which tier plan that you want. Let me pull those up again. Tesla's on the DNT. I know, man. Right. So, 1 month is $38 a month, but just for you guys joining the live stream, we give out 10% off of that. So it's $35 monthly recurring discount, not just one time. And then the yearly is $388 per year, but that comes down to $330 for the year just for you joining the live stream as well. And then lifetime members get 25% off, again, incentive for joining the live stream. So if you're interested in that, this is the only plan that has the a payment plan available, actually. You can pay this in up to 4 months. So scatter those. How are we looking on Futes? Yeah, bro. I didn't realize I didn't go long here more. So I'm going to go long here. Shit. Let me just close these.
Order filled.
Ooh, sorry if that was super loud. Oh my God, LiDAR kept going. I just saw a notification. LiDAR kept moving. Let me see my LiDAR's watch list again.
You're insane.
JT, man. JT's playing with the soundboard. You're insane. Let's see. Wow. So every other stock is red in this sector except LiDAR. Look at Tesla, bro. What a freaking push, man. I cannot believe we missed this one. This should have been on watch today. But yeah, man, wow. What the hell? Look at Tesla. Tesla's squeezing them. Jay, please tell me you didn't take puts, man. Please tell me. I tried to warn you. Please don't tell me you didn't take puts, man. I'm telling you, it's really difficult to time tops or time bottoms. You have to try to scale into your trades. Oh my God, bro, but the volume on these candles are crazy. Wow. Let me close Apple because I'm sick of it. Sick of Apple. LiDAR sector. Sold the call. Nice. Careful, man. Especially, guys, if you just joined the free trial, look, my recommendation is always get familiar with the server, get familiar with the app. Nice volume candle here on Apple. Actually, not much volume so far. Get familiar with the server, get familiar with the app, and I promise it pays off with our guidance. If you do it alone, I promise you, you're not always going to have a good time. You might make some money initially and maybe get lucky. But then if you keep just randomly, blindly taking trades and not knowing where to take profits or when to cut the trade, not understanding the trade idea behind it, it's not going to help you long term, guys. We have a lot of traders that make some money initially, and then they kind of fall off the wagon and lose it all in a day or two. That's the worst part. It happens so fast. Bro, this stock, man, what a breakout. I didn't even notice that it broke down earlier this morning, man. That would have been a good buy opportunity around $3. This stock went insane, man. Wow. $5.15 next. Wow. What a move. Yeah, LiDAR, yeah, literally anything that Nvidia touches, it just becomes gold. Like, yeah, gold. I can't believe, what in the world? This is not a good sign for China names. That Neo, of all stocks, is the green one. Though something really tells me to take Baba calls. I don't know why, man. That might be my next request of a Baba. Wait, actually, didn't we do a Baba trade plan? Hold up. I think we banked off of that already, though. Oops. I could have swore we did a Baba trade plan, bro. But I think we already made money off of that. I think that was when it was at maybe 100, 108 or something. Yeah. Definitely, I made money on that too. Oh my God, yes, I remember now. When China gapped up, that was another banger. That XYZ and Baba was the same week. That was insane, bro. That was a great. That was my best week of the year, I think. That was just 2 weeks ago, I think. Wild, yeah. Baba had a huge gap. China had a huge gap up. Yeah, that was a big moneymaker right there, for sure. All right, guys. Any last questions? I'm still long on SPY, MES futures. We're still above this buy plan entry, call entry here. I mean, if you weren't in before, this is still an opportunity for you to jump in calls here. Not financial advice, just throwing that out there. But the call entry is right there. The plan is literally right there, you know, before our eyes. And I think if we break that previous day high, 636.15, with a little bit of volume, I think it looks pretty good to go to PT1 pretty quickly, honestly. Especially with the mags moving. Let me see. Let me check those out. Amazon bounced. Microsoft new highs. Microsoft got a nice candle. Google's pumping. Tesla's good. Nvidia's looking good, healthy. Or is it? Let me see. Let me zoom into Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia's still green on the day. Providing a pullback potential entry here for Nvidia, actually kind of flagging. A little bit. Yeah, I don't know. All signs are pointing higher to me. No options on LiDAR? Damn. I was thinking about LAZR. Remember this name? But look at that disgusting. Like I haven't looked at this chart in God knows how long. Let me take a look real quick. Curious now. LAZR. Wow, it got a pump yesterday, probably because of the news. Just sympathy play for that LiDAR move. But let's see. A class action lawsuit claims the company hid misconduct by CEO. Oh my God. Leading to his resignation. When was this? Oh man. Oh, their CEO pulled a Coldplay? What happened? God, this chart is disgusting, man. I don't know if it's worth it. Yeah, this chart is disgusting, bro. This probably has a lot of room left to go. Yeah, this chart's gross. Nasty downtrend long term. Nah, not interested. What's the biggest volume? Oh, Mobley. Fat rejection. Mobileye had earnings yesterday. It looked like it was good earnings. I don't know what happened. Like, why it's dumping so bad? It's like down 10%. Next volume candidate, MBIS. This has been a shit call for a long time, as far as I know. So probably not interesting. Yeah, I don't know about any of these names, man. Very ugly charts. I guess the magic is just get Nvidia to pump you. All right, things starting to pull back here. We'll see if SPY holds up, man. This thing is choppy. Not good for options. It's okay for futures, but not for options. I'm gonna buy some more dip here.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Yeah, I gotta go. All right, guys. Any last questions, if no last questions, again, my DMs are always open. I'm gonna end the stream on the YouTube side. Yep. I've said it before, but again, we've said it many times. Plan your trades, trade your plans. Again, we have a customer success team here ready to help you out. You can always create
Plan your trades and trade your plans.
There you go, JT. Thanks, man. We have